committed the golden rule to memory. Let us now commit to life.
Before you put on a frown, make absolutely sure there are.
The greatest part of our happiness depends on.
Everyone thinks of changing the world.
One may say the eternal mystery of the
Love is a serious mental disease.
The world is round, and the place which may seem like the end may also be the beginning.
The world is round, and the place which.
This room in the world is room for improvement.
If we did the thing we are capable of.
When we seek to discover the best, somehow bring out the best in ourselves.
A man sees in the world what he carries in his heart.
A wise man will more opportunities than he finds.
Genius is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration.
It is not enough to have a good mind. The main thing is to use it well.
Genius is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration.
السلام عليكم أصدقائي.
السلام عليكم أصدقائي. أتمنى أن تظهروا لنا بعد الحب والاشتراك في القناة.